Good morning, everybody. So, I'm gonna run through a pre-trip today. What I'm doing right now is called truck hauling. So this is your engine. This is where you would check your oil. I've already checked it. You got your fan belts. You got your hood, which stay unlatched from here. How y'all doing? We had a rough night in Oklahoma last night, but we made it. So here's my little M2 106. So as you can see, I got 3 trucks called piggybacking because you got one truck on the back of the next. It's held together by, I want to say, 54 screws, 18 screws per 16 of these, 2 of those. And these are called J-bolts. Why you say they call J-bolts? Because if you look in the back, they're in the shape of a J. So right here you have your air lines, you have your electric lines, and this runs throughout the trucks, which it starts from here. Electricity starts right there, comes up, goes over, and if we can follow it, these right here are axles. When I get to the customer, I'm gonna put those in. As you can see right here, they have a makeshift hub cover that has a seal in there. When I get there, I'm gonna take that off and put them axles in. Right here, here's something else you have to check for. You see this axle? Make sure that there's tension on that chain right there, because these axles are held up. If not, they'll drop and drag and something will break. So what I'm gonna get ready to do is go through and tighten up. Well, not necessarily tighten up because I've been checking them, but go through and check every bolt or every set of bolts that's holding it on. That's the difference between these staying together and you coming down the road behind me and meeting a truck with no driver, and this lights out for both of us. These right here are your air tanks. So before you can put these in, after the truck is down, you have to uncage the brakes to these, which would be backing this off, taking it out, putting it right here in this holder, putting the dust cap on it, do it on both sides, and pop your air lines, and then you're ready to put the axles in. We got makeshift mud flaps, which we have to have, and they have to be hanging. My light bar, which this is mine right here. As you can see, I zip tied it on there to make sure. So what you do when you first get ready to do this, you want to go ahead and plug it up. Where's the shit? You want to plug it up, but you want to have your right or left turn signal on. And remember, so when you come back here, you know which side is which, because you don't want to have your right signal over here when you're going to turn right. People think you're going left. You know, ain't worth a damn if something happens. So you just want to watch, make sure these are snug, come back here and check them out. Okay. So now I'm just walking down the driver's side. Another thing I want to do, just check the caps, put a hand on them. All my doors are locked. As you can see, extra outline is right through there. You can see that this is the back truck. So, like I said, as I'm going through, just giving it a little snug tug. Not only that, we're looking for anything that looks out of the ordinary, anything that's hanging, which I had already done a walkthrough for. I picked up the camera, but it doesn't hurt to check. See, these are my marker lights that I have to install and take off with me. Every set of truck has to have a set of markers, so at nighttime, you can see that truck there. I'll just show you that on this one. And that back truck has that light bar, so it doesn't need marker lights because it's already got markers. But again, here's another one that I installed. So in order to do this, you kind of got to be mechanically inclined, but you can learn, because ain't none of us popped out the coochie knowing shit. We all pick it up as we go. So here's your transmission for your truck. A lot of people never even get up under their trucks and know what's there, but hell, I can damn near rebuild everything except the engine. Set everything on the backside. Okay. So all right. So now we're going to get started on this engine. We don't tighten up these bolts. 1 second.